Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Samantha. If you're new here, I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. A, it helps me a ton, but B, I'm going to be putting out so much content for you guys to hopefully make some money, either part-time, full-time, or just some extra cash. So today's video is going to be another bulk unboxing. I bought 122 men's item with only one picture, they didn't even have a manifest of each item, so it's kind of like a mystery box for me. I paid $215.34 for this whole box, so that made each item under $2. So what I figured is if it doesn't sell online, I can definitely either bundle it up and sell it online, or when I have a garage sale here soon, I can sell it at a garage sale. So again, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Before I get started, some of you already may know just from following me on like Instagram and other social media platforms, I typically go to thrift stores as well as garage sales and handpick each item that I'm selling online. So I've been trying a new thing with everything being shut down right now by buying in bulk and also buying mystery bundles from people. So I actually have a 60 item mystery bundle coming from somebody on Instagram that I follow, and I'm excited to get that one. So it's gonna be 60 items for $60. And then I also met somebody at a Poshmark meetup in Connecticut, and we're gonna start consigning, she's gonna start consigning items with me. So she's gonna start by sending me 100 items to consign for her, and I should be getting that later this week also. And then this is just one small box that I bought from bulk, and I also bought a huge pallet from bulk. So the pallet should be here by the end of the week, and I can't wait to get that one. It's my first pallet. I've bought like 4 other boxes with them. You can actually see the unboxing videos on my YouTube also if you want to kind of see and get an idea of what I bought. Again, this one is men's, 122 items. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, right off the top, I do have some items that are new in the package. It looks like some Hanes items. There's some men's dress shirts. So it has the packaging and everything still in it. These are Goodfellow. I have not heard of them. I presume it's probably just a department brand, which is totally fine because it still will sell. Men's actually sells really well. I'm just not too fond of selling men's because it's kind of boring to me, but I mean, hey, I'm not going to complain about making some money. So it looks like just a thermal shirt, Goodfellow also. Another one. The other one was medium, this one's small. Goodfellow sweater, and this one is in large. Some men's jeans, Goodfellow. I don't see a price tag, so I can't tell you how much they are retail, but I still can get them for 10 to 15 online. And the thermals I'll probably bundle up to sell. Another small thermal. A pair of jeans. These are actually women's, it looks like. They're universal thread, 26 wide. So they're a plus size dark wash jean. These will do really well, even though they're just universal. I'll probably at least be able to get 10 bucks out of them. So, you know, paying under $2, I'm doubling my profit. It's gonna be super easy to take pictures of these two. This looks like a pair of joggers. What brand? Joy Lab, extra large. So black joggers. Sorry, I'm outside. It was beautiful out, so I figured why not come out here to do the video with you guys. I hope the camera's not too shaky. Another new in package, but it's opened. This will probably be something that will be sold at a garage sale. So 19 of those. Pair of Thieves small just like white print t-shirt. And I may keep those for myself. I actually got a Cricut from my fiance for my birthday. So I may keep those and put some kind of graphic print on the shirt and sell it like that. Another one of those. This is knit jogger Goodfellow extra large. These are like a high quality jogger, it feels like. So again, 10 bucks off of $2 is not a bad profit. Another sweater by Goodfellows. Another thermal. This one is actually extra large, which I like the bigger sizes. They sell much better. All right, jockey. It looks like somebody wrote wrong packaging. So these are larges. I don't know. It looks like the right t-shirt. Oh, they're not the V-necks. They're just the crew neck or whatever, and these ones are supposed to be the V-neck. So it's jockey, but it's just not the V-neck that's supposed to be in the package. All right, so we got some dress pants from Goodfellow. Again, 36 by 30. A pair of jeans by Goodfellow, 38 by 32. These are kind of like the cigarette wash. It says winter denim. Oh, I love flannels. This is Goodfellow too. It's a size small. And all of this is new with tags, which is awesome. A New Day leggings, extra large white. Okay, so these are a New Day extra large leggings. These are women's. I can tell already. These ones are 30 by 30, so they're more than likely just like a grown boy, maybe adult. These are Goodfellow too. Some Goodfellow corduroy pants, 30 by 32. I like this wine color. As you can see, it kind of matches my shirt. Here's another one of those, 32 by 30. And another one, 30 by 30. So that'll be awesome. One listing, 3 different ones. Okay, can't beat that. Only have to take one picture. And this is a jacket by Original Use, extra large. Just like a navy zip-up jacket, kind of like a jersey fit. Another jockey. Now this one is V-neck. It's been open, so again, it will probably go in my garage sale. Another wine-colored jean, and it says 30 by 30. Okay, so the original price is $27. The clearance was down to $20, so again, I will probably price these at $10 to $15. Some more of these. And then some white t-shirts. What is the brand though? Fruit of Loom, which is good. I mean, I can bundle all those up. Guys want those, I mean, because they go through those like crazy. So if you bundle them up and offer the right price, it'll go good. I just got to check them over and make sure they're not dirty or stained or used or anything like that. So again, more of these, but those look like little boys. So some more white shirts. Okay, here we go. Here's some different stuff. Another Goodfellow, it looks like. Yeah, Goodfellow extra large dress shirt. This is Weekend Adventures Goodfellow. I kind of like that print. That's cool. But that's what I want to do, is put some kind of graphic on those plain shirts too. So we'll see if I sell them or put some kind of slogan and then sell them, because it will make more if I put something on them rather than just being a white shirt. All right, some Goodfellow 32 by 30 tan corduroy. Goodfellow small polo, just navy polo. It's very soft. Another Goodfellow small polo. I like that mustard color. The mustard and navy will go good together if I lot them up like that. Oh, look at this. There's some size 16 over the belly pants, maternity. So this is again women's, but that's okay. Everybody's always looking for maternity and you can't ever find it, so that should sell pretty well. it was a little smaller, I would keep it because I can't find myself anything. Pair of these extra large, just like cut off muscle tank. And then we've got a camo original use popover hoodie. I like this one. This is nice. I wish the cut was just a little bit different. I might keep it. Okay, this looks like a long sleeve red Goodfellows extra large. Okay, another one of those shirts all folded nicely. Extra large in this one. Another extra large. Just a plain blue long sleeve Goodfellow. Another one of those. Two smalls right there. This one has red and navy, and it is extra large Goodfellow. Kind of looks just like a baseball tee, long sleeve t-shirt. Size medium Goodfellows. This one is another one, but it's size small, and it's got some button detail there. This one has some graphic on it. Let's see what it says. Oh, just a cool graphic. And that's Goodfellows also, extra large. Some kind of velour, or fuzzy, I should say, not velour. Original use, size small. Oh, another one of those jackets, and this one is a extra small. So that'll be, again, one listing, one picture, well, one time picturing them, I should say. I use multiple pictures for my items, but this is an extra large with the button detail, long sleeve men's. Some dress pants, 33 by 30. It's kind of like a cigarette collar. Slacks. They'll have to get steamed. They're very wrinkly. Another multicolor just t-shirt. Goodfellows. Oh, yay. Another one of those maternity pants, and this one's size 2. Now that's way too small, so we got too small, too big for me, but maybe I'll find something. We'll see. All right, this looks like just a t-shirt that fell out of one of those packages, so I'll see if it goes in one of those and put it back. All the way down to the bottom here. 2 more in the package, and then one that's been unraveled in black. 2 more that were in packages. They're Fruit of the Loom. Oh, this is a cool, like, tie-dye wash Goodfellow large. This material, again, is so soft. Like, I love it. And then a striped Goodfellow size small. So there was lots of smalls. I'll definitely probably lot those up in lots of 3 for $15 more than likely, 15 to 20. And some t-shirts. So again, guys, this is just a test. I'm honestly pleased. It was 122 items. I mean, in every single item in there, I can at least get a bundle and get my money back. And I will be listing a few of the bigger items in my Poshmark, as well as probably eBay and Mercari. I use a site that actually lists on all the platforms for me. So I just list it once, and then it lists it on the other ones just in the click of a button. If you want to know what I use, check out my description below, and I have that in there. It's called Findz, and you can just click on that and see if you want to try it out for free. It saves you time. It gives you more exposure by being on multiple sites, and they also take it down after it sells, which is amazing. Now, this is something I'm trying out by buying things in bulk and buying bundles like this and mystery deals, but I'm so excited to do this. It saves me time because now I'm gonna go get in the pool after I get this video up for you guys, and I get to enjoy the rest of my afternoon. And then when the sun goes down a little bit, I'll be able to take some pictures out here, because you don't want to take pictures in the midday. Taking pictures in the midday kind of washes out the item. So if you'd like me to do a video showing you how I do my pictures or inventory or how I do my listings, make sure to drop that in the comments below. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, all the above. So I appreciate you all and thank you so much for watching.